What if I told you that one small nation, surrounded by constant threats, has built some of the most advanced military technology on Earth? A country smaller than many cities, yet powerful enough to shape the future of modern warfare. From AI-powered defense systems to battle-proven missile shields, Israel has transformed survival into innovation. While many global powers invest billions into experimental weapons, Israel designs systems that are tested in real time in real conflict zones. That means rapid upgrades, faster learning, and smarter adaptation. The Iron Dome intercepts rockets mid-air with precision. The David sling and arrow systems track long-range ballistic threats. Advanced drones dominate reconnaissance missions. Cyber units defend invisible battlefields where wars are fought with code instead of bullets. But here's the real question: how did Israel get so far ahead? Is it strategy, innovation culture, compulsory military service, or the urgent need to survive in a hostile region? Tonight, we break down the real reasons behind Israel's technological advantage. This is not just about weapons, it's about intelligence, speed, integration, and vision. Let's uncover why Israel's military technology is years ahead. Welcome to this deep analysis of Israel's military technological dominance. Today, we explore how a small nation became a global defense innovation powerhouse. Israel does not rely on size or population. Instead, it focuses on precision, intelligence, and technological superiority. Its defense systems are not theoretical concepts. They are operational, tested, and constantly upgraded. Over decades, Israel built an ecosystem where military needs directly fuel innovation. Engineers, scientists, and soldiers collaborate closely. This tight integration creates solutions faster than traditional defense bureaucracies. Understanding this foundation is the first step to understanding why Israel's military tech stands years ahead of many global powers. Geography plays a crucial role in Israel's defense strategy. Surrounded by multiple security threats, the country cannot afford technological delays. This urgency drives innovation at an unmatched speed. While larger nations may take decades to develop and deploy new systems, Israel accelerates timelines dramatically. The constant need for readiness forces rapid prototyping, testing, and field upgrades. Every system must work under real pressure. This environment produces practical, efficient solutions rather than experimental prototypes. Survival has shaped Israel's mindset, turning necessity into invention and challenge into technological leadership on the modern battlefield. One of Israel's greatest strengths is its integrated missile defense network. The Iron Dome, David sling, and arrow systems form a multi-layered shield against short, medium, and long-range threats. These systems communicate seamlessly, tracking incoming projectiles in real time. The Iron Dome alone has intercepted thousands of rockets with high success rates. Unlike static defense systems, Israel's missile shield continuously evolves through software upgrades and battlefield data. This layered protection model has inspired other nations, but remains uniquely advanced in integration, responsiveness, and combat validation. It represents technological adaptation in its most refined form. Artificial intelligence is transforming warfare, and Israel is deeply invested in AI-driven defense systems. From predictive threat analysis to automated targeting assistance, AI enhances speed and precision. Military commanders receive real-time battlefield intelligence supported by machine learning algorithms. This reduces human error and increases operational effectiveness. AI also strengthens surveillance systems, analyzing massive data streams within seconds. Israel's defense industry integrates AI across air, land, sea, and cyber domains. This interconnected intelligence web creates faster decision cycles, giving Israeli forces a critical advantage in modern conflicts where seconds can determine outcomes. Cyber warfare is another domain where Israel leads globally. Elite intelligence units specialize in digital defense, offensive cyber operations, and electronic warfare. Modern conflicts extend beyond physical battlefields into networks, satellites, and infrastructure systems. Israel treats cyber capability as a primary pillar of national security. This proactive cyber doctrine allows early detection of threats and rapid countermeasures. Many Israeli cybersecurity startups originate from military experience, strengthening both national defense and global cyber markets. By mastering the invisible battlefield, Israel ensures dominance not just in physical combat, but in digital warfare environments as well. Israel's drone technology represents another critical advantage. Unmanned aerial systems provide surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike capabilities. These drones operate in diverse environments and deliver real-time intelligence to commanders. Israel was among the early adopters of advanced UAV development, refining systems through operational use. Modern Israeli drones feature enhanced endurance, stealth capabilities, and AI integration. They minimize risk to personnel while maximizing battlefield awareness. The ability to monitor threats continuously from the sky significantly strengthens defense readiness and rapid response capacity. Mandatory military service contributes to Israel's innovation ecosystem. Young citizens enter the armed forces and gain exposure to advanced technologies early in life. Talented individuals are identified and placed in elite technical units. After completing service, many transition into technology startups, carrying military problem-solving skills into civilian innovation. This continuous talent cycle links defense challenges with entrepreneurial solutions. Unlike isolated military research structures, Israel's system blends civilian creativity with defense expertise. The result is faster development, adaptive thinking, and long-term technological momentum. Israel emphasizes battlefield testing and rapid iteration. Technologies are not left in laboratories for extended periods. Instead, they are deployed, evaluated, and improved continuously. Feedback from real operations directly informs upgrades. This short innovation cycle contrasts with slower procurement systems seen elsewhere. By learning from real-world conditions, Israel fine-tunes accuracy, efficiency, and reliability. Each operational experience becomes a technological upgrade opportunity. This adaptive cycle keeps Israeli systems ahead of emerging threats. Defense exports also strengthen Israel's innovation capabilities. By supplying advanced systems to allied nations, Israel gains financial resources and collaborative insights. International partnerships promote shared research and joint development programs. This global network expands testing environments and broadens technological refinement. Export success also reinforces domestic industry investment. The global demand for Israeli defense technology reflects trust in its performance and reliability. Israel invests heavily in research and development relative to its size. A high percentage of national GDP supports technological innovation. Universities collaborate closely with defense industries. This academic partnership accelerates breakthroughs in robotics, aerospace engineering, and data science. Government policies encourage startup culture, ensuring a steady flow of fresh ideas. Sustained R&D commitment ensures long-term advancement rather than temporary superiority. Precision weapon systems further highlight Israel's technological edge. Guided munitions reduce collateral damage while maximizing operational impact. Smart targeting systems enhance situational awareness and efficiency. This precision-focused doctrine aligns with modern warfare requirements, where accuracy matters more than volume. Advanced sensors and communication networks coordinate strikes with intelligence inputs. Israel's armored vehicle technology integrates active protection systems capable of intercepting incoming threats. These systems detect anti-tank missiles and neutralize them before impact. Such protective innovation increases survivability on dynamic battlefields. Continuous modernization keeps armored units adaptable against evolving threats. Naval defense capabilities also reflect technological advancement. Advanced radar systems, missile boats, and maritime surveillance strengthen coastal security. Integrated sensors ensure rapid detection of sea-based threats. This layered maritime defense complements air and land systems. Space and satellite capabilities enhance intelligence gathering. Surveillance satellites provide strategic awareness across regions. Secure communications ensure operational coordination. Space-based assets strengthen national security infrastructure significantly. Electronic warfare systems disrupt enemy communications and radar detection. Israel invests in countermeasure technologies to protect aircraft and ground forces. Dominating the electromagnetic spectrum is essential in modern conflicts. Strategic partnerships, particularly with major allies, amplify Israel's technological growth. Joint exercises and shared research accelerate development. Collaboration enhances interoperability and access to advanced resources. Ultimately, Israel's military technological advantage stems from urgency, integration, talent, and relentless adaptation. Innovation is not optional, it is essential for survival. By combining advanced research, real-world testing, and strategic foresight, Israel maintains a technological edge that continues evolving. If you found this deep analysis powerful and informative, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more in-depth military technology breakdowns. Comment below with your thoughts. Which Israeli system impresses you the most? Stay tuned for our next strategic analysis.